Welcome back to day 3 of the 4-part series, What is a Cryptocurrency? If you haven't already, go ahead and watch the 2 previous videos so you're all caught up to where we are right now. So today we're going to be covering what mining is and how it works. That was your next question, right? Well, to better explain, let's work our way through a transaction. For this example, we're going to use the Bitcoin network. Say that I want to transfer 1 BTC to you. I would go ahead and make a 1 BTC withdrawal from my wallet to your wallet address. And then poof, a short period of time later, that BTC would appear in your wallet. Now, the time it takes to get from my Bitcoin wallet to your Bitcoin wallet is where mining comes in. Mining is the process of confirming transactions and ensuring security. Every miner has a copy of the entire blockchain on their machine. What this means is that every single miner has a complete history of every transaction that has occurred ever on the network. And therefore, every single miner has the account balance of every single wallet. When the miners confirm the transaction, agreeing that it is indeed legitimate, a new block is created and added to the blockchain. At this point, the transaction is set in stone and can no longer be reversed or tampered with. This is the point where the funds will appear in the receiver's wallet. These miners receive a BTC reward for the work they do on the network, being rewarded for each block. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Tomorrow we are going to be talking about how tokens are created and how many there are. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to go ahead and get notified when that video comes out. You won't want to miss it. You need to get the full grasp of what a cryptocurrency is before you start investing or getting into the space. So I hope you give this video a thumbs up if you learned something from it. And until next time, guys, we'll see you later.